Machine condition monitoring sensors are used in industrial environments for extracting machine faults such as machine imbalance, misalignment, looseness, and bearing issues as part of preventive maintenance process. Vibration sensors are mainly used for measuring vibrations as part of machine condition monitoring process. The machine noise and ultrasound noise measurements are also significant parameters to diagnose machines along with the vibrations. EOXIS understood the industrial machine condition monitoring needs and brought out an indigenous sensor which measures maximum machine condition parameters in one go. EOXIS team conceptualized a sensor which primarily includes machine vibrations, audible noise, and ultrasound noise. The other parameters like body temperature, ambient temperature, and ambient humidity are also included part of the sensor design. We have successfully designed next generation noise and vibration sensor and successfully demonstrated to MSME COE team. This is our next generation noise and vibration sensor which measures machine vibrations, audible noise, and ultrasound noise. This is the machine. Currently, we are going to attach our sensor for measuring vibrations and noise. We are now going to attach the sensor on top of the machine. It has a magnetic base. Just keep it on the top. It will get attracted. Any mechanical screws or fixtures are not required. We need to give power to the sensor. Once you give the power and switch on, it will start working. It will record the vibrations of the machine, audible noise generated by this machine, and ultrasound noise generated by this machine. Additionally, the sensor also has a mechanism to measure the body temperature, ambient temperature, as well as the ambient humidity. Now, let's start the recording to measure how the machine vibrations are there. Now, the recorded data is available in the SD card. The PC has the analysis software. Let's insert the SD card into the laptop and let's analyze the recorded data on how the machine behaved in terms of plots and graphs.